what's up guys, we're Navigators, and guys, I'm really good. Today we're going to be making an awesome game. It's not a game, it's a store. But if you're saying like, how do I make a store out of a cat moving all around the place? Do you think this will work? Do you think you'll turn a cat into a store? Yeah, I can. So the first thing is we just have to delete our cat. And let's choose a sprite. So I'll speed this up for you. And I'll make a few options. There you go, that's good. Now let's go to our backdrop and add a shop. Now, let's go to our code and write until I clicked forever. Go to set size to our current size and go to our current position. Good. 185. That's good. Now, until I clicked, do the same code over here. Look at that. The only thing is, we are not doing much. So I'm going to set my size of the apple to 70. Play around the sizes until you get something great. But the only fact is, you can't change sizes. You can't change the size. So that's kind of it. Now, the only thing we have to do now is, make the shop. So let's go into our sprite. Let's add 50. Let's see. There. Let's put this right here. C doesn't mean cents, it means coins, by the way. Good. Now it is time for the real fun. Until I clicked forever. Now, make a new variable. We'll just use my variable, but rename it, and we will name this money or coins. You name it, whatever currency you want. So, until I clicked, also show variable coins. Set coins to 0. Now, we just need a way to make something. So when the sprite clicks, change coins by 1. That's it. Because we just need a way to earn the money. So, that means that the only thing we have to do is, if equals to coins, take a OR, and do that there. This coins. 15 our current price. 15 our current price. And 15. There. Now this is currently false, to be honest. So coins equals to 15, or coins is higher than 15. Then set goes to effect. Set goes to effect 0. Now, if coins 15, then set goes to effect 25. Now we'll do the exact same code right over here. This sprite clicked, change coins by 1. We just have to test this now. The only thing is, we can click them to get some money. But oh no, this is a problem. Here's a problem. Look, if you take a look look at this properly, it won't spend any money. So this is how you do it. Now, since we're clicking that sprite to get the coins, we need to make sure, because of accidental clicks. So, set those effects to 0, broadcast, new message. We will put this buy. Now, when I receive buy, then we have to now if touching, now we can't really just when this sprite clicks over here, see, it doesn't work at all. So if touching mouse pointer and so what am I doing here is that I'm making the same definition, and yeah, we're making the same definition. So touching mouse pointer and mouse down, mouse down, mouse down, and mouse down, and touching and touching. Yeah, if touching mouse pointer and mouse down, then make a new variable. You will name this apple. There, one flag clicked. Set apple to 0. Now, if touching and mouse pointer down, then change apples by 1. Implement the same thing in our here. A new variable, name it bread. And when flag clicked, sets bread to 0 and sets change bread by 1. But here's the problem, it is by itself. We don't want that. So now here's what we do. Then ask purchase bread or whatever food item you're on. If answer equals to yes, then change bread by 1. So here we have it. Do the same thing. Look at how that is. So we have a whole shop. So let's do this. Look at this. We have that now. Purchase apple? No. Now to do nothing. And if we say yes, or any type of yes, then it'll reduce, it'll change our apple it'll change our apple by 1. And it'll also change the points, change coins by negative our price. Do the same for the bread. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. But guys, please subscribe. This really took a long time to make. So guys, I'll see you next time. Bye!